That's what so freedom is, in a sense, your essence. On the other hand, for everything else is accidental as compared to freedom. On the other hand, if you compare this with Islamic attitude towards freedom, for example, our Islamic view is that our fact that we are free is an accident in a specific sense. And the fact that we are the bondsmen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that's what our essential nature is. So in that sense, freedom, belief in liberalism is basically a rejection of anything like Islam. Or even if you're Muslim,